but it is equally challenging to deal, a larger group, and when you have uh, a very specific population like marginalized population, children in conflict with law, and sometimes these children come from a very at-risk population, a lot of vulnerabilities, dysfunctional family systems, and interpersonal conflicts, peer conflicts coming from different addiction backgrounds. So this, and a lot of trauma, most importantly trauma oriented backgrounds. Dealing with children, their attention span must be very, sometimes less, and it is very difficult because they're maybe constantly fidgeting, they're being very hyperactive. It's really difficult to manage them in a larger group setting, or even in individuals therapy. It is difficult, and for this, the therapist needs to be very calm and grounded. You need to calm yourself down and be grounded and observe and interact, and you need to maybe modulate your vocal tone. Sometimes you need to also cut people off. That's a technique. Cutting off or blocking is a technique in counseling psychology, where you're into a group process and somebody is talking, and then other people are also have to share equally, and you know that you right now you need to block this person off, and you need to be very empathetic yet. So very kindly, generously, you should ask them that, shall we talk this after some time, and give others a chance to talk about. And this is how you regulate and facilitate the entire process. And for that, you also need to, in this process, you need to know your own bodily sensations, your own internal process, how you're feeling, control your breath, and even you can do breath work with your clients. Sometimes I do that and meditate with them, or sit and breathe with them, ground myself with them with the grounding techniques. And that's okay to do. For a better rapport building, you can practice things with your clients, and that really helps. And also to empathetically sometimes confront people. I always say that a good therapist is not, or a good counselor is not always a people pleaser. You don't have to please your clients. If they're doing something which they're not supposed to do, you have all the rights to tell them that, advocate for them, tell them that this is not right for you. But it shouldn't be that you are taking their autonomy.